Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to fix the link right now. Open YouTube Studio and choose the video, then click Edit Description. First, confirm you're signed in to the correct account and the channel isn't limited. Next, locate the link and remove any surrounding punctuation, smart quotes, or line breaks that may block auto-linking. You should type http// or https// at the start. YouTube requires that. Once done, save the draft but don't publish yet. We'll validate next. Now validate the link so YouTube recognizes it. You need the full protocol prefix like https// and make sure the URL sits alone on its own line with no parentheses, commas, or periods at the end. If the link contains non-ASCII characters, encode them or replace special symbols. This prevents parsing errors. Avoid certain URL shorteners that mask destination previews. After formatting, click Save and wait a few seconds for YouTube to reprocess the finish by saving changes and refreshing the video page. Then test the link in an incognito window or on another device to rule out caching. If it's still non-clickable, check for strikes, external link restrictions, or policy flags on your channel. YouTube can disable links for policy reasons. Also confirm the domain isn't on YouTube's blacklist. If you're stuck, post the link as a pinned comment or in the first comment and pin it while you appeal or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.